What's up, YouTube? Today we got us a Swords and Shields Battle Styles booster box. Let's see if we can pull the biggest hitter out of here. Are you guys ready? Let's do it. So we're gonna jump right on into it. I believe the top card in this pack is worth around $120 or something like that, but there's still a whole lot of other packs. There's a whole lot of other cards that are really nice inside of this box. Whereby this is a perfect mix. Set these over here. Let's get these back. Normally we start with the left. Today we're gonna start with the right. Let's see if our first pack can give us a hitter off the bag. Can it give us something great off the back? Starting with a Leaf Energy. We are getting close. Is there something back there? Let's find out. 3, 2, 1. First hit of the day. Corbin IV. Look at the artwork on this one. And all of these are going to be new pulls for me because I have not ever opened a Battle Styles box. But that is the first hit of the day. What the pull rates on this box is just amazing. That would be nice. Can we get another? This is going to be 2 hits back to back, starting with Fighting Energy. Mr. I'm still going to it. 3, 2, 1. A regular hollow. Set these up here. Jump right back in. Hope everybody's having a nice Christmas break. I believe kids are out of school for 2 weeks. Lightning Energy. So plenty of time to come on by the PokeGFK channel, which stands for Pokemon Good for Kids. Oh, going straight to that one. No hit on that one. The regular non-hollow. So with Fire Energy, now you guys know how I feel about Fire Energies. I think they be carrying some heat in the back. Let's see if Rebel Clash. Well, sorry. Let's see if Battle Styles booster box. It's gonna be the same way. I have a Rebel Clash on the way. I was talking with them earlier. We talked to our manufacturer earlier. So it kind of switched up. Let's see. Start with Fire Energy. We are getting close. Reverse hollow. Going to it. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Look how quick we've hit this. We pulled what? We opened 3 packs. And so far, we pulled 2 amazing rare cards. Look at the artwork on this one. This one is beautiful. Second hit of the day. Going to our 4th pack. This is going to be another hit. The pull ratio on this box is that amazing. So Psychic Energy. Indeed. Cheryl. Looking back. Going to it. 3, 2, 1. A non-hollow. So far, we only opened 4 packs. Up. Maybe like 5 now, obviously. 5 packs now. But every other one has had a hit, I believe. Let's see if we can stay that way. Go card. Start with Fighting Angel. Mr. Mime. Zubat. Reverse hollow. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. A non-hollow. Put this to the side. We're gonna go with whatever side I'm feeling. No side I think might have that great hit in there. I'm just gonna go to the bouncing side to side. I might go 2 times on this side, 2 times on that side. I don't know. Let's see how that goes. Does this one carry? Anything surprising inside of here? Much the reverse hollow going into a 3, 2, 1. A regular hollow Senecana. Battle styles. Do you guys have the biggest card in it for me today? Do you guys have the biggest card in it for me today? Oh, it's another fire energy. Is it going to continue to carry some heat? Let's find out. Fire energy. Does the fire energy have anything in the back of here? Normally they carry some heat in the back. Reverse hollow. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Yes, it does. Oh man. Do you guys see this? Leave this guy on top. This is a beautiful looking card. Look at this. Rainbow Rare. Super rare. That is a nice looking card. 3rd hit of the day. We'll pull anything better than the Rainbow Rare card we just pulled. Right now, I believe the Rainbow Rare card is the top card we pulled so far, but I could be wrong. Water Energy for Blastoise. Can we get some? 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. A non-hollow. The pull rates don't seem too bad on here. Not halfway through the box yet, and we got 3 decent pulls out there. Psychic Energy. I Psychic that. Battle Styles. Booster Box. Has a very good pull rate. Hopefully I'm correct. Hopefully we just pull amazing cards after amazing cards after amazing cards. Going into it. 3, 2, 1. Non-hollow. Is this going to be the back that outdoes them all? Let's find out. We are coming up on what could be the card that outdoes them all. Or is there a card back there at all? Well, we're going to find out. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Another hit. This makes 4 for the day. And look at that artwork also. All of these cards are just beautiful. whole box keep hitting like it is now, this is gonna be a great box for me to buy again. Like I said, this is my first time ever opening a Battle Styles booster box. Going into it, 3, 2, 1, a non-hollow. Code card. Leaf Energy. Move back. Where are the Pikachus? Going into it. 3, 2, 1. A non-hollow. Lucky tap. You guys know how to lucky tap goes. Is it too early for the lucky tap? I don't know. Sometimes I just feel it, and sometimes it does be too early. But for the most part, it works pretty good. Starting with a water energy. Does the lucky tab work? Even though it's kind of early, is it going to work? Reverse hollow, Mr. Run. What's the middle? Mr. Run. Going into it. 3, 2, 1. A non-hollow. Yeah. Too early for the lucky tab. I think that's fine. Hopefully, we don't need to use the lucky tab. Hopefully, they get back to hitting like I was doing in the beginning. Starting with a lightning energy. Does lightning energy carry anything? Oh, yeah, pilling in the back. That thing is very valuable. Something that everyone might be looking for. First hollow. Going to it. 3, 2, 1. Out of nowhere, another hit. Look at this card. Cheryl. Another beautiful card, another beautiful hit. Look at that artwork. Next pack. We get some hits back to back going. We get some good hits back to back. Going into a 3, 2, 1. A regular hollow. Remember, guys, gotta like, subscribe, and ring that bell for the future giveaway that's coming up. I'm giving away, I have a couple first edition fossil cards that are in mint condition. I will definitely show them on the giveaway video that I do. But if you want to be in that, you have to ring that bell, like, and subscribe. Okay. Let's get back to it. Starting with a leaf energy. Thank you. Going into it. 3, 2, 1. Another hit. Continue V. And look at that artwork awesome. So far, we have 6 hits. And I think we're just now getting about halfway through the box. So, like I said, if the whole box can keep it up with continuous hits, I would say they have a good pull ratio. Fire energy. The last 2 fire energies, I believe, has some heat in the back. This is the third one. Will it continue? Fire energy. Just this one. Carry. Something in the back. Let's find out. 3, 2, 1. A Slowbro, non-hollow. Fire energy, what happened? Normally fire energy be having some hate in there. Cold card. We have a lightning energy. Will this pack surprise us with something that makes up for the ones that we didn't get? All it takes is one card. That is it. Going to it. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Another one. Another hit. Look at this. Didn't I? Oh, wait. There we go. Look at that. Isn't that neat? And that's neat. Can the pack keep going? We still have a lot of packs left. Oh, let's see. 14 or 15 packs remaining. Starting to like battle styles. Fire energy. Are you gonna come through for us with some more heat? Or are you gonna come through for us with some more heat? Going to it. 3, 2, 1. And non-hollow. Fire energy look like they're switching up on us. We're trying to mix them up. I'm guessing. Good card. Psychic energy. Will this one have something inside of the back? Should find out. 3, 2, 1. A non-hollow. Let's see. We're gonna pull these out. Let's see how many we have remaining. We have 15 packs remaining. We're gonna go with this one. I believe that is the top card there. Going to be nice if he was inside of here. The Tyrannosaur. Here's the top card in the box. The thing is he located in here? Good question. Let's find out. Going to it. 3, 2, 1. A non-hollow. Still have good feelings though. Still have good feelings. I think it's still very possible for sure. All it takes is one pack. That is all it takes is one pack. Cool card. Psychic energy. Is there something in this one? We're almost to the point where we have to start doing a lucky tap on the packs. Going to a 3, 2, 1. Another non-hollow. Will this one be the one that carries something amazing? Water energy for Blastoise. Does this one have anything in the back? I think I have a good feeling about this one. Reverse hollow. Going to it. 3, 2, 1. Another hit. Mimikyu V. That's perfectly correct. Look at the artwork on that one also. It's a good looking card. So far we have 8 hits so far. In the rest of these packs, continuous hits. I believe hits 3 hits back to back. Is it possible? Is it possible? Does this one have anything on the back? If so, this will make it number 2 in a row. Going to 2A. 3, 2, 1. A regular hollow. Straight in forward. Almost a landslide over those cards. We get some back-to-back hits going on. Can we get some back-to-back hits going on? Will this be the one to start the back-to-back hits? What? We'll find out in 3, 2, 1. A non-hollow. Mr. Rhyme. Mr. Rhyme got the rhymes. Ooh, this pack hard to get open. You guys know how I feel about packs. It's hard to open. We'll be having those very rare secret rare cards inside. Oh, Elite Energy. There's this one. Now what we're looking for. Going to it. 3, 2, 1. A non-hollow. Lickety lickety. Okay. We have 9 packs remaining. All it takes is one card. All it takes is one card. That is all. Go to water energy. Does this water energy have anything secret hidden in the back? Going into 2A. 3, 2, 1. Another non-hollow. Okay. We'll have to start doing my dumping trick. We'll start light. We might not need too many dumps. This will be might not need too many. We have a lightning energy. Can this be the one that has that Tyrannosaur in the back? Going to it. 3, 2, 1. A non-hollow Super Squash. We have a little more tap for this one. So I guess the last one holding up. Code card. The little more taps help. It's going to get us what we need and what we want. Yes, we're going to get what we need and what we want. Going into 2A. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! There we go. A little more tapping did help. And look at the beauty of that card. The beauty of that card is beautiful. Nice. I believe that makes that the 9th hit of the day. I don't think I've opened. At least the Vikings got more hits in Battle Style so far. If they can get to 10 hits, Battle Style has definitely gave me the most hits in the box. So I'm going Fighting Energy. Is there anything hidden in the back? Going into 2A. 3, 2, 1. A non-hollow. We have 9 hits so far. 9 hits. Can we get to 10? Can we get to 10 hits? So far. We have Leaf Energy. And we are looking for our 10th hit of the day. Can we get there with the few remaining packs that we have? Going to it. 3, 2, 1. Another non-hollow. Okay. We are low. 4 packs remaining. Only 4. Lightning energy. Is there something back? Going to it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, another non-hollow. Do they not want to give us a 10 hit of the day? Gotta start back without tapping. I think this one could be the one to give us our 10 hit of the day. I think this will be the one. We have our fire energy. Come through for us, fire energy. Have something in the back. That is amazing. Reverse hop. Going to it. 3, 2, 1. Another non-hollow. Do you guys think we're gonna make it? We have 2 packs remaining. We have 9 hits, but we want 10. Do you guys think we're gonna make it? Let's find out. We're gonna go with the right one. Starting with psychic energy. Then this one. Complete the mission for 10 hits in this box. Look, our reverse hollow going to it. 3, 2, 1. A regular hollow. Guys, we are down to the last pack. Remember, all it takes is 1 card to get us to our 10 numbers. And also, could be the Tyranitar in the back. Let's see. Up. Gotta do all the lucky jumps. Can this one be the one? Can this one be the one? I want a fighting energy. Can we get to our 10th hit in this box? Can we get there? Going to it. 3, 2, 1. A non-hollow. We was almost there. Guys, we have 10 hits here out of a 36 pack booster box. Look at these artworks. They are beautiful. Like, they are beautiful. I believe the box did very well. I cannot complain with the Battle Styles box. Hopefully you will be interested in buying another. But I do appreciate you guys for watching. Until next time.